Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle of cutting wires? The Chrysler Mitsubishi factory wire harness offers a seamless way to connect your aftermarket stereo to your vehicle's original wiring. It's designed to fit compatible Chrysler and Mitsubishi models perfectly, making installation straightforward and stress-free. I recently installed this harness in my 2003 Mitsubishi Montero, and it worked flawlessly. No need to mess with your factory wiring or risk damaging your vehicle's electrical system. The harness plugs directly into the factory connector, saving time and preserving your car's integrity. What stands out is the quality of this harness. It's built to last, ensuring a reliable connection between your new stereo and the car's original setup. Many users from across the United States have praised its durability and easy installation, confirming it's a solid choice for anyone upgrading their sound system. The convenience matters because you get a clean, professional installation without the guesswork. No soldering, no splicing, just plug and play. This means less frustration and more time enjoying your upgraded audio experience. If you value simplicity and quality, this harness is worth a look. What changes when you use this harness? Your installation becomes faster and safer. It eliminates the risk of wiring errors that can lead to costly repairs or poor sound performance. Plus, it keeps your vehicle's wiring intact, which is important if you ever want to restore the original stereo or sell your car later. If that's you, someone who wants a reliable, no-fuss solution for installing an aftermarket stereo, this Chrysler Mitsubishi factory wire harness fits the bill. It's tailored to work with your vehicle's wiring, ensuring compatibility and peace of mind throughout the process. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your car audio without the headache of complicated wiring. This harness delivers exactly what you need: a quality connection, easy installation, and a professional finish. It's the smart choice for anyone serious about their car stereo upgrade.